If you are already an Adobe Creative Cloud subscriber, you have the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and After Effects installed on your computer, well, you can probably just skip this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free trial membership to the Adobe Creative Cloud. I'll show you how to download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, which is compatible on both Windows and Mac computers. Then we'll explore the Creative Cloud desktop app. I'll show you how you can download and install After Effects and any other Adobe application. We'll take a look at how you can manage the updates for After Effects. And then I'll show you how to open After Effects and how to close it down or quit when you're done. To install Adobe After Effects, if you are not currently an Adobe Creative Cloud subscriber, open a web browser and go to adobe.com. Now you can just click on this button, Free Trial, to start a free 7-day trial, or you can just click on See All Plans. And the subscription that I recommend is the Creative Cloud All Apps, as this includes all of the Adobe Creative Cloud apps. That's Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, InDesign, After Effects, Lightroom, Animate, Audition, Character Animator. And one thing I want to point out when you're on the plans and pricing page, if you look at the very top, you'll see these different tabs. If you are a student or teacher, you'll see Adobe offers a significant discount on the Creative Cloud All Apps subscription. You can click on Check Eligibility to confirm that you qualify, and if you do, just click on Buy Now. You'll still get the free trial, but you'll also get the big discount. If after your free trial, you decide that you do not want the All Apps subscription and you only want After Effects, Adobe does allow you to subscribe to the individual applications a la carte. Whichever trial or subscription you decide on, just follow through the checkout process. You can cancel at any time. You can always modify, upgrade, downgrade your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. The Adobe Creative Cloud customer support is excellent. So once you set up your account, download the Creative Cloud app, which works on both Mac and Windows. If you just downloaded the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, you'll find it along with your other applications, so you can just double-click to open it. But if you're a current Adobe Creative Cloud subscriber, but you just haven't yet downloaded Adobe After Effects, well, you can open it up in the Applications folder, or it should be in your menu bar if you're on a Mac at the top. You can just click on the Creative Cloud icon. Once you open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, to install After Effects, click on Apps. To sort through all of the apps to make it easier to find, you can click on the category names at the very top. You'll find After Effects in the Video category, but when you're on the All Apps page, you'll see After Effects is not far down the list. And if you click on it, it'll open up the After Effects information page, and you can install from this page or go back to the main page and click on the Install button. After Effects includes Cinema 4D, so just keep this checked and click Install After Effects. And once it's finished installing, the button will have changed from Install to Open. If you ever need to uninstall After Effects, maybe for troubleshooting purposes, we'll just open the Adobe Desktop app, go to Apps, locate the app that you want to uninstall. If you click on the 3 little dots in the bottom left corner, here we'll have a bunch of options. You can just click Uninstall. In most cases, you'll want to choose Keep. That will keep the preferences. Then just like the install process, Adobe will uninstall the application. You'll see the progress. Once it's done, you see the button change from Open to Install, and you can just reinstall by clicking Install. Check the box, Include Cinema 4D, then click Install After Effects. To check for updates and to manage your auto update settings, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, click on Apps, click on the 3 little dots in the top right corner, choose Manage Auto Updates. If you just toggle on this top button, Auto Update, After Effects will automatically check for updates for all of your installed applications. To manually check for updates, go back to where it says Installed Apps and click on Manage Updates. In the top right corner, click on Check for Updates. After Effects will scan and see if there are any available updates. Then you would just click the button Update. I am on a Mac, so I'll open up a Finder window, go to the Applications folder, There I will find Adobe After Effects along with my other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. I can just twirl open the folder and double click on the app to open it. But before I do so, I'm going to create a shortcut by just dragging it right onto my dock. Now I can just double click on After Effects in the dock to open, or if I'm in the Creative Cloud Desktop app, I can just click on the Open button and After Effects will open. And to close or quit After Effects, I'll go up to the top menu, click on After Effects, then Quit After Effects, or use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control Q. So after this lesson, you should have the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app and After Effects installed on your computer. And in the next lesson, we're going to open up After Effects, explore the home screen, and tour the main interface.